The digital asset landscape is fragmented by an architectural mismatch. We have two very different ways of routing capital, and right now they cannot communicate securely. On one side, public blockchains offer rapid innovation. They give developers deep liquidity pools and atomic composability, allowing smart contracts to interact seamlessly across open protocols. But global financial institutions cannot use them. Public networks lack the rigid privacy safeguards and deterministic settlement guarantees required to comply with financial regulations. On the other side, we have private, permissioned distributed ledgers. Systems like the Canton Network provide the exact bank-grade, MiCA-compliant privacy these institutions need to operate legally. The trade-off is that these private networks function as fragmented, isolated silos. They suffer from poor capital efficiency and completely lack the developer velocity found on networks like Ethereum or Solana. Zenith Network operates as a native execution layer within this ecosystem. It embeds an Ethereum virtual machine directly into Canton's regulated rails, which removes the need for, and the systemic risks of, traditional lock-and-mint bridges. It achieves this integration by running on a highly specialized RISC-V zero-knowledge architecture. To understand how this infrastructure works, we have to look at how it builds virtual blockchains, how it achieves consensus-level atomicity, and how its burn-mint economics operate. Applying zero-knowledge proofs to connect standard smart contracts with regulated settlement networks creates the technical capability to move trillions in institutional capital. If Zenith operates inside a strict, permissioned environment, what does the deployment pipeline look like for an engineer? The pipeline requires zero modification. Developers write and deploy unmodified Solidity smart contracts using industry-standard tools like Hardhat, Foundry, and MetaMask. This visual shows the abstraction layer in action. Standard Web3 inputs flow directly into what Zenith calls a virtual blockchain, a customizable execution environment deployed as a RISC-V program. This virtual blockchain relies on a dual-role participant model. First, the participant operates a validator node, seen here connecting to the Canton Network, continuously listening to ledger transactions on their specific subnet. At the exact same time, that participant acts as the local sequencer for the virtual blockchain. As you can see, it organizes incoming EVM transactions into a sequential single-threaded order. These ordered transactions then execute entirely within RISC-V's zero-knowledge virtual machine, known as the R0 VM. Every block produced locally generates a zero-knowledge proof, certifying the exact correctness of the execution. This proof package is then exported down to the Canton mainnet. Notice the data boundary here. The raw transaction data, the smart contract inputs, and the counterparty identities never leave the local sequencer. The only information transmitted to the wider network is the mathematical guarantee that the state transaction was executed correctly. This is a direct contrast to standard Layer 2 rollups on public networks, which are forced to publish their raw call data back to the base layer for data availability. Because of this localized execution structure, a financial institution can interact with complex DeFi applications and prove their activity is valid without ever exposing proprietary trading strategies to the open internet. Getting an off-chain execution environment to settle back to a private distributed ledger usually requires a third-party oracle. That introduces dangerous latency and security gaps. Zenith bypasses this by integrating directly with DAML, the native smart contract language that powers the Canton Network. Look at this diagram detailing the two parallel data streams. The left logic gate represents a proprietary DAML primitive called external_call. This function allows a DAML contract sitting on a Canton subnet to request an execution from the Zenith EVM running locally. By acting as a direct native conduit, this initial transmission allows for optimistic transaction confirmations with sub-second latency. The loop closes with the second logic gate, the verify primitive, which pulls the cryptographic proof down from the virtual blockchain and processes it on the Canton stream. The verify function ensures the mathematical integrity of the settled state root, confirming the off-chain execution perfectly matches the rules. If native cryptographic verification isn't exposed yet, the contract simply uses the external call function to relay the verified zero-knowledge results directly from the local operating environment.
Relying strictly on native DAML logic gates removes the need for third-party multi-signature validators, bypassing the collateral custody risks that plague traditional bridging architecture. This direct DAML integration becomes critical when processing the most dangerous operation in decentralized finance, cross-chain swaps. Most multi-network applications handle these swaps using hashed time lock contracts, or HTLCs. This comparison table illustrates the operational flaws of time lock contracts. Notice the settlement speed row. Time locks often introduce hours of latency because they are gated by the slowest chain in the swap. Moving down to chain reorganization risk, HTLC claims can be retroactively unwound if one of the probabilistic blockchains experiences a split state. Furthermore, they are highly vulnerable to free option exploitation, where the secret creator of the swap maliciously waits out market volatility before deciding whether or not to finalize the trade. Zenith circumvents all of these application layer vulnerabilities by achieving atomicity directly at the protocol layer. Through its native integration, both the Canton-based DAML transaction and the Zenith EVM smart contract execution are packaged together into a single cohesive Canton transaction view. Both legs of the trade exist within a unified consensus domain. They are processed under identical network conditions at the exact same time. The outcome of this domain is strictly binary. Both legs of the swap are committed together, or they are rejected completely. There are no intermediate states. This consensus-level atomicity makes intermediate chain reorganizations, maliciously blocked liquidity, and free option exploits mathematically impossible, providing the security guarantees required for institutional trading volume. Securing this unified consensus domain requires specific economic infrastructure and validator incentives.
For institutions, Zenith delivers a major compliance victory here. Network participants do not need to hold a volatile third-party token just to pay gas fees. Instead, virtual blockchains can be deployed using the native Canton coin for all transaction fees. This graphic visualizes the burn-mint equilibrium model that aligns the token supply with network utilization. Transactions consume traffic credits, which are purchased by burning Canton coin according to a dynamic on-chain exchange rate. As network utilization has surged, daily burns have grown from 10 million to over 35 million tokens. This activity has pushed the network's burn-to-mint ratio across the deflationary boundary seen here. While Canton Coin handles the gas, the underlying zero-knowledge infrastructure relies on ZK Cloud's native proof token. Compute nodes must stake proof to generate calculations and face slashing penalties if they submit incorrect data. Governing this dual token architecture involves strict oversight. Recently, the Canton governing body passed proposal CIP0091, granting Zenith a Tier 1 super validator status. This document outlines the proposal's escrow system. To prevent governance capture from day one, Zenith's maximum consensus weight of 10 is locked behind specific milestone-based criteria. By legally tethering voting power to verifiable network activity, such as issuing $1 billion in real-world assets, Zenith ensures that its governance influence only grows as it generates actual value for the ecosystem. The Zenith network resolves the walled garden dilemma by cleanly separating public smart contract execution standards from private institutional settlement. Look at this final visualization. It represents the target end state. A Tier 1 bank deposits tokenized collateral securely on an isolated subnet and immediately deploys that capital into an EVM-compatible lending market. Moving forward, the roadmap plans to expand beyond the EVM, integrating the Solana virtual machine and REST compatibility to support all major execution environments. Zenith operates as the exclusive translation layer between Canton's regulated bank consortiums and the open Web3 developer ecosystem. The immediate operational challenge is scaling the underlying zero-knowledge computation so that high-frequency trading volumes can be processed economically. By combining zero-knowledge data isolation with consensus-level atomicity, Zenith establishes the strict infrastructure required to move trillions of dollars of dormant real-world assets into highly productive on-chain financial protocols.